What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and as always, thanks so much for clicking on this video. If you're new and this is the first time you stopping by the channel, I definitely do appreciate you. I'm the Mustang Hunter. I try to find as many Mustang variations as possible. Since I'm a huge car guy, you're going to see anything and everything from imports to exotics to trucks, you name it. I try to have a variety of diecast on this channel. So if you're like me and you like watching peg hunting videos or just diecast in general, consider hitting that subscribe button down at the bottom right corner. Hit that notification bell so you can stay tuned for all my future videos. Alright guys, as you see right here, I do have two packages I did receive. One is from Alexander Graf, who I had sent some exclusives to, and he actually sent me a box in return, so I definitely do appreciate you. This box right here is from Derek, also known as Honest Diecast, so I definitely do appreciate you. He's also in my local area of Arizona. We just never get to meet up. We never do any hunts together, but the time will come. But we're going to go ahead and open up Alex's box first, and then we're going to see what we got. All right, get our cutter. Try to do this one-handed. Okay, hold up. Let's see what we got. Looks like he sent a note in here. He says, Mustang Hunter, I am very appreciative of the castings you sent me. Here's what I did in return. You mentioned liking but never buying the tuned Baja Bug. Here is a red one, and I'll look for a white one too. Next is a Target Red Edition Joey Logano Mustang. If you already have one, now you have a second for free at Friday. Lastly are two from my childhood collection. The white 99 Mustang Matchbox is from the 2001 release, Daddy's Dream. Ooh, the blue 96 GT convertible was a McDonald's release in 99. I made a custom background for the protector packs with my vinyl cutter. All right, let's check this out. Happy holidays and enjoy, my friend Alex Graf. Alex, I definitely do appreciate you. It sounds like you got some awesomeness in this box. Let's see what we got right here. All right, guys, check that out. New for 2020, it is the red variation of the 70 Volkswagen Baja Bug. Check that out. I've always seen these on pegs. I've never seen the red one. I've seen the white, but this thing is actually kind of cool. It's definitely going to go perfectly with the red Bug Bomb as well as the other Volkswagens I do have tucked away in this corner. So I definitely do appreciate you for that one. And of course, the Joey Logano Red Edition from Target is another banger. This was one of my favorite releases for the Joey Logano. The blue one was my top one at first until this Red Edition hit stores. I do have one, but I definitely do appreciate you. So now I can actually open one up and take some really good pictures like I did the blue one. All right, let's move this stuff. Let's see what we got wrapped in here. I didn't even know this thing even existed. Check this out. 99 Mustang in white with the Mustang Tampo and the running horse. That's pretty clean. And this is a Matchbox? That's crazy. That is pretty sick, and I actually do like this case. What is it? And he put the 35th anniversary running pony on there. Definitely do like that. Dang, that's sweet. So this will go with the other variations of my 99s right here. So I'll probably resit this in the box. That way I can actually hang this. Actually, I'll do that right now. Dang, I actually like this little box. That is sweet. Let me know where you got this so I can actually get more for my loose ones. But check that out. God, that would save so much more room. Look at that. I can actually have this like every other hole instead of every 3 holes, which would hugely condense this. That is sweet. So that's going to definitely hang right there in the top spot, Alex. And this Baja Bug, I got to make room somewhere around here. Let's go ahead and move the jaded color shifter and put this right up top. There we go. And then this jaded one, I might have to put this somewhere for now. So it's going to have to go up there. So definitely do appreciate these. This one's going to have to go off to the side for the moment. Add another one. This is the McDonald's one. I do like the fact you put the graphics of vinyl on the back. That is pretty sick. But this thing looks like it is definitely... I'm trying not to ruin the case here. Let's take it out and actually look at it. Check that out. That is so sick. And this is from '99, when McDonald's used to actually give out really cool casts. This is what, like a 96, 97 Mustang? Yep, 96 Mustang GT. Nice. Check that out. Similar lace wheels, tan interior. Look at that little bitty steering wheel. And then you got the Hot Wheels logo right there on the rear wing. That is really cool. And it is a full metal on metal cast. Actually has some painted headlights on there. That is sick. Definitely a car that you would have to find in a thrift shop or something along those lines. Got my convertible right there. And it's not going to fit perfectly, but we'll go ahead and put this right here for the meantime until I can get this reorganized. But check that out, guys. Super sweet old castings. Definitely do appreciate you, Alex. Those are cool. And let me know where you got those boxes. Those boxes are really sweet. We'll go on to Derek's box. Now, I know Derek was a little disappointed in the fact that I got a Red Edition GT500, because I think that's what he was going to send me in this package initially. So let's see. Of course, I've watched his videos on how to package Hot Wheels, and of course, he does not disappoint. Check this out. This is how packaging is done correctly. Look at that. Nicely wrapped and protected. Definitely a solid box. I know these boxes are rated for a good amount of weight, either sitting on them or whichever. So let's go ahead and unroll this beauty of Diecast. Can't go wrong with bubble wrap until you start to unwrap it. Nice little protector card right there. Let's see, what did my boy send me? Check. Ooh, look at this. I seen these beauties, but look at this. Oh my god. The yellow Nissan Fairlady Z. Check this out with the super clean Nismo tampos right there on the side. Black stripes, side and hood. This thing is super clean. Does have the black 5 spokes all the way around. Black rear tail light section. No tampos, of course. And then check it out. This thing is super clean. Number 5 of 5 of the Nissan collection for Hot Wheels. And I'm glad he sent me this because I have it in blue. And I think, I'm not too sure, I mentioned this in one of his videos that I needed the yellow. And he hooked it up. Check it out, guys. Which one is your favorite? The yellow or the blue? That's a hard choice because they are both definitely clean casts. But look at this. This card's in really good shape. What year did this even come out? In 17, 18? I don't know, but this thing is in really good shape. Much better shape than my blue one. I actually found that in a bin of death as well. But man, that is super sick. Now I got to reorganize this because my Nissan rack is all the way up to the Mustang. So we're going to have to figure out how to put this one there. So definitely do appreciate this one. Of course, he sent me 2 more Zamac Boss 302s, which are definitely hitters in my book. The other ones I did give away. I had 3. I have 1 in my collection right here. The other one was in the giveaway, and another one I gave away to a buddy. So restocked on the Zamacs. These will probably go for future giveaways, or if someone else needs them, you know, I'll hook them up as well. And then here we go. The 2020 GT500 in red for the GameStop exclusive. God, this car does not get old. You guys know I already do have one. I have it sitting right here. This thing is still a super clean cast. And I remember when I posted the picture that I got that, or the video of one of them, he was disappointed because he was going to surprise me with that one. He didn't tell me what he was sending me, so I didn't know what to not buy. And you guys know I'm always out hunting. I'm going to buy it because I don't want to pass it up. Of course, he sent me the black painted first release of the Von Gittens RTR Mustang right here. Another super clean cast, which of course you guys already know I do have, but I don't have a second one, so I can actually release this. And what I'm actually thinking of doing is I'll probably release these right here, keep that extra one for a future giveaway or if someone else needs it. But I do have a lot of loose Mustangs. Like I said, the blue Joey Logano, the GT500s, even the 05 GTs right here. What I'm going to do is actually going to take these to work. I'm actually put them on a nice display because everyone at work pretty much knows I collect diecast. And that's what I got for my Secret Santa, was the super clean Daytona Charger with the SRT Hellcat motor swap in it. Definitely really cool ground pounder, but that's probably what I'm going to be doing with these extras I have. And then of course my boy hooked me up with the other color variation of the GT500. Now I know if he's had this box waiting for me for quite a while, and I think it was before I even picked those up. So he actually went out, found me those, and he was going to hook it up because he's had these Zamax for me for, shoot, at least a month or more. And it was before I got my hands on these Zamax, before my buddy Kingnut Diecast hooked me up with those. And then the GT500s I ended up finding in my area because Derek's over in another part of Arizona, which is a little bit further away from me, so we're never in the same area. And then when he seen I found the ones that he was sending me, he was like, oh man. So yeah guys, now that I have a second set of these awesome casts, I can actually free these and actually have them on my display. Especially now that I have the two super clean GT500s. And then this Nissan is just beautiful. And then the Joey Logano Red Edition is another amazing cast. Alex, thank you so much for sending me your package. You did not have to do that. But I definitely do appreciate it. Like I said, the Baja Bug is sitting right there up top, as well as those Matchbox ones. Hey guys, don't forget to check out Honest Diecast's channel, as well as Alex Graf's channel. I'll have their links down in the description box as well. Go and show them love and support like you've shown me on this channel. It's definitely appreciated. And of course, guys, stay tuned for Monday's video. I'm going to be doing another subscriber request. It's going to be kind of similar how I did the Corvettes, so stay tuned for that one. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit that notification bell so you can stay tuned for it and don't miss out on any videos. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did, let me know down in the comments which one of these casts was your favorite as far as the Mustangs go. And then, of course, let me know if you've seen these boxes and where to get these. I know I can Google where to find these boxes, but I'm sure a lot of you know a quicker source or a better source than Amazon and all that stuff. So let me know down in the comments where you can find that, or Alex, you can just let me know personally where you found those boxes, because I definitely do want those for these extra loose cars I have, because I would really like to re-display those because I don't have the blisters anymore. So that is all I got, guys. Like I said, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and do so. And until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.